Oh, look at the roof, too, kind of Spanish style.
All right, we'll go inside right now. You ready for your second flip?
Wow, I am ready.
Hey, snowboards. How fun.
This is a cute little courtyard, huh?
Smell that?
I smell something, but what is that?
It's a dead animal. It's a rotting corpse.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. All right, let's go check out the
Yeah, I gotta get in. You go first.
You want me to go first? It's not stinky. Oh, the ceilings are low.
It's a nice staircase, though.
This isn't good for feng shui. The stairs with the money running out the door.
Is that a thing?
That's a thing. It's a real thing.
Well, I've sold some houses where the staircase is right when you walk in, and they didn't say anything about it.
Well, they sell.
And they were multi-million-dollar houses.
All right, let's see this thing. Decent-sized kitchen.
This is not awful, right? It's actually kind of cute. I mean, obviously,
it needs to be completely
modernize
remodeled.
but it's pretty good size, opening up to the main room over here.
Well, this is nice. So we have a fireplace. All right, so there's a small laundry room back there, bar here. This actually would be cute as redone as a bar.
I agree. This could be really cute.
So the backyard's funky.
Honey, don't fall in.
What if...
It's so gross.
Is it me or this thing is kind of cool, but it also kind of ruins the pool?
No, it's so cool. How fun would that be for little kids, like swim underneath?
Oh, this is kind of cool. So like,
Yeah, we could put a cool light feature, little barbecue, and then a fire pit, make this a cute sitting area.
this stuff's in decent shape.
No, we should take it out and put a cool tile.
I know, but again, it starts getting expensive, you know?
And we have, what, about $250 at the high?
Yeah, 250.
Okay. Should we go upstairs? All new flooring everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, babe, it's a good size. Look at all the bedrooms.
You want to start here?
Yeah.
We're gonna scrape the ceilings, new lights, new closet doors. Pretty much everything you see needs to be replaced. You know what's good about this house? Everything's cosmetic. I don't see any structural, I don't see foundation issues, I don't see cracks in the walls.
So we could spend money on like design then.
That's why we got 250 as a budget.
Okay, that's good. I'm happy with this.
Now that we've gotten the lay of the land upstairs, it's so exciting to find out that it's actually a 5-bedroom house with a bonus room. Extra rooms mean bigger ROI.
We gotta check the budget, but how cool would it be to completely remodel this room, stage it with some nice big couches, building this out as an entertainment center?
I like it. Would people want this to be a bedroom or remove the closet to make it an extra big bonus room?
Well, here's the thing, there's no bathroom.
Yeah.
So it's kind of weird to have a huge bedroom with no bathroom.
And there's only 3 bathrooms.
Not even 3, it's 2.5.
So all the other bedrooms are sharing that 1 bathroom up there?
4 bedrooms share 1 bathroom.
Yikes. Is there any way to add another bathroom?
No. This could be converted to a bedroom with a full bathroom.
How much would that be, you think?
Oh, geez. We got 250 budgeted. I mean, if it was 50 just right here and already we're at 100 on the outside, that's 150. We only have 100 left to do the house. So it's not gonna work.
After some surprises in the walkthrough, not including the cockroach, here's the plan we've come up with. Starting downstairs, we're gonna expand the powder room to add a shower. We're also gonna remove the wall between the kitchen and living room to open up a more functional space for family living. Upstairs, we're gonna be updating the bedrooms and bathrooms with a big focus on leveling up the primary suite. As of right now, most of the issues seem to be cosmetic, so with some reconfiguring of the space, this is gonna be an incredible 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom family home.
You want to keep budgeted at?
I can't even believe I'm saying this. Like all in, inside and outside. All in.
280?
No. 300.
Really?
This is your fault. You keep pressuring me.
Yeah, but this is a great size house.
All right, we're budgeted 2 to 250 when we bought it. We can go 300. So let's work our magic around 300,000.
All right.
Like, this house has got to be money.
I was definitely right.
Right about what?
That this house needed a bigger budget. You know, adding that deck in the front is really important. We wanted to change the stucco on the outside, which is really important.
For our Long Beach flip, Izzy came in with a revised budget of $305,000. We expect this job to take about 28 weeks. And with selling and holding costs estimated at $125,000, we're all in at $1,520,000. If we sell at $1.6 million, that's a potential profit of $80,000.
Hi, Hi, babe.
Hi, love. What's going on?
So I just got to Roper in Long Beach. How are you?
Good. Sitting here with Adam talking about that.
How's it looking?
The stucco is done. It looks way better. So I'm just
Okay.
walking up right now, looking at everything. I'm in the court, the like little, I couldn't even think, courtyard.
Pregnancy brain.
But it looks good.
Okay, good. Have you seen the inside yet or no?
Now I'm about to walk in, so stay on the
I
phone
hope
with
there's
me.
progress, because last time we were there, nothing happened.
Oh. So the footings are poured, but there's nothing, like no drywall done on the inside of the house.
It's just crazy. Are you meeting Izzy?
I'm not meeting Izzy, I'm meeting Nate today, the designer. I mean, I don't see what else has been done. There's a bunch of tools and stuff here, but from what I'm seeing, there's nowhere, like absolutely will not be done in a month.
So, I have the construction calendar. As of right now, here's where we stand. They're gonna start with roughs. That should only take about a week.
Okay.
And then from there, it's just kind of putting things back together, as long as we don't make a bunch of design changes.
Yeah.
So we're changing a few things. Nothing's crazy out of our costs,
Wait,
but we are doing a few things.
Do I know about these things?
I mean, I was rushing Nate to get the designs done.
No.
And
I don't know if we've had a chance to talk about them yet, but there's probably one thing I should probably run by you.
even though we're delayed on permits, I'm still pushing the design forward with Nate. So when we're ready to get this house finished, at least design is done.
If we're gonna try to be done, we gotta get moving.
We gotta get moving. The faster they get done, the more money we save.
Okay. So I think you're gonna like this idea. You know how we're trying to do kind of like a Spanish flair?
Modern Spanish. I was telling Adam, he said it doesn't exist.
It does exist.
So that's our staircase,
So do you see how it's curved?
but it's already curved though.
No, it's not already curved. It's squared off. We're making it curved. We just have to re-drywall it.
Oh, so you want to curve the wall to follow the line of the staircase.
Yes.
How much is that?
No money, baby.
So,
I like that.
I wanted to show you the fireplace.
Because I think it looks really good.
We actually have a pretty decent budget for the fireplace. I think we have $9,000.
That's super high.
yeah, I mean, we have a $9,000 budget for this fire. I mean, it better be a spectacular fireplace. I don't even know how it got up to 9. That's what I'm saying. Like, our bids are out of control right now.
Hi. Oh, Nate's here, you guys. Okay.
All right, honey. Well, I will see you tonight.
Okay.
Love you.
All right, love you. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
you? I love Nate as a designer. We've talked about this. He brings in such a great eye. I've seen his work on social media. I thought he would be a great addition to our team. So walk me through everything.
Yeah. So first, in my opinion, most important element is the flooring.
Ooh, I love it.
And doing a dark ebony stained floor.
Pretty.
It kind of brings in a little more of that Spanish element.
I love that he understands the Spanish modern flair that we're going for. So I think it's gonna be really exciting to work with him on this project. So this will be throughout the whole house except for the bathrooms and like special rooms.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
I like it.
All right, excellent.
I mean, I love darker, I love blacks. For years, it was like white marble, whites everywhere. What I'm seeing on trend right now is woods and warm tones, and actually blacks are back in. People are being a little more bold with their designs in these high-end homes, and now bringing those designs into our flips, they're gonna make it look more high-end, but at a less expensive price.
All right, that was one of the biggest decisions.
Okay.
Let's do the primary bath next.
Okay. It's a great primary bathroom. Like,
It is. It has everything we need.
I love it.
Our flooring in this room, I would love to introduce a little color and pattern.
I like this. Because
Right
it's not
here.
too patterned.
It's a subtle blue, and how it's kind of antiqued, I
Yep.
don't feel it will overpower the room.
I don't like too busy, so this is perfect. It's simple, but very classic.
Kitchen, let's
Ooh,
get out
I'm so
some.
excited for the kitchen. So around the island, are we gonna make that usable as storage?
Yes, we'll have full storage on this side. Our utensil drawers will be here.
Okay.
Maybe our trash pullout.
Okay. Are we gonna have enough storage in this house?
It's a small kitchen.
Yeah.
I mean, to answer your question, I think we will.
Okay.
The upper cabinets are right there.
Okay.
And then we do have some floating shelves
Floating shelves.
and a little bit of shallow storage on the underside of the overhang.
Got it. I do want to touch on the fireplace because I know we had a high budget for that.
Yes.
So we could probably shave that off.
Let's go stand and look at it.
Okay. I know that we talked about doming it and rounding it.
It's a quirky little fireplace in its location and styling, so let's just run with that
Okay.
and even make it a little more quirky and a little unique.
Since the fireplace is brick and that might not go with our aesthetic, what could we do? I mean, I know you can find materials that aren't crazy expensive.
So really keep the cost down on this. It would just really be sheetrock and some framing. And then we'll just paint the interior black.
Black,
Just
okay.
a nice clean black so that shape really stands out.
I love it.
We can add a wood mantle if we
Yes.
want, and then some artwork above.
Yeah. Every little thing that we're choosing for this house, like I was really thinking, what can we do to make those buyers walk in and fall in love with this beautiful Spanish-style home?
We have just this little bit of wall going around the
Okay.
window. I would like to bring in a dark wall covering. I'll let you hold those.
Ooh. So any 3 of these, so you like all of them?
I like them equally, yeah.
I like this one a lot, so that's my number 1.
Okay,
This one,
all right.
yeah. And then price-wise, it shouldn't be that much since
It
we're
shouldn't
only
be,
doing a
yeah,
little
we need to
bit.
order a minimum of 8 yards.
Okay.
I'll price it out.
So like, what kind of would it be?
Wallpaper under, but maybe close to 1,000,
Okay.
including installation.
Okay.
And let's call this 2, maybe
Okay.
on a higher number. So
total-
maybe 3,000 for this full wall.
3,000 for the whole fireplace wall.
Yeah, and I think
6,000 to save. Woohoo! I like it. Let's go outside. Are we doing a fire pit or anything out here?
probably should.
Yeah.
There's not really a lot of space. I would love to take this out. And then our fire pit would probably go right about here
Okay.
with plenty
Okay.
of room for seating around it.
All right.
What do you think?
I'm excited to finalize everything.
Okay.
And get finished.
Let's get it going.
Yay!
Yeah,
High
it's about-
five.
it's about
That's
time.
Tarek's move. High five. Or
All
actually
right.
fist pump.
What up, Izzy?
Hey, what's up, T?
How's it going?
Good.
Is this house almost done?
It's getting there, dude.
So the stucco's done.
Yes, sir.
You know what? Let's go look at the inside first, then we'll come out here. Oh, these doors are nice. Look at these.
Yeah, that was a good selection. They're all gonna be stained.
So we curved the wall here. This looks nice.
Yep. The wrought iron's coming in this week, and then we'll finish off the flooring.
I mean, I thought the flooring would be done by now.
We're waiting on the stairs. We had a delay on the wrought iron, so we gotta put in the wrought iron first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks good. It's open now. So a little bit more of a traditional cabinet face.
Yes, yes.
Like the countertop.
Countertops are going in. The rest of the flooring will go in this week.
So let me ask you then. So when we first started this project, I know we lost about 12 weeks because of the permits.
The city holdups, yes.
Yeah.
So we put this thing in overdrive, bringing multiple guys from different homes. So instead of a 12-week delay, which would have killed your pocket, I'm gonna save you 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
My gift to you.
You better be. All right. It actually looks like a Spanish-style house with the white paint, the red roof, the brown door, the new gate. It actually looks really, really good.
So good. You here?
I'm here. Oh, look at the deck. Oh, it looks so good.
What do you think?
Oh, this is awesome.
Hi.
Oh, hey, honey. This looks great, by the way.
Hi. Oh my God.
Doesn't this feel
right?
inviting?
Think of all that crap that was here before, and look how open it is now.
Looks so
it was
much
a
better.
mess.
Oh,
Look at
and-
look.
All the bricks gone?
I'm so happy we did the wood. I'm so happy we did the fire pit. Isn't it nice?
Come on, Buggy. You want to see the house?
Come on, baby.
Let me see this thing.
Look.
Oh, it looks beautiful. It looks so different. I love this staircase. Whatever idea you had about curving this wall,
So much better,
look at this
right?
railing too.
So do you like
Sconces.
do you like the dark floor?
Oh, I love it. I love everything. It feels like a modern Spanish.
So I feel like the curve of the wall.
Oh, sorry,
the
honey.
fireplace.
Sorry, I gotta leave you. This came out so much better than I thought.
Do you love that we curved the fireplace?
Curving this firebox was actually the smartest thing we did here.
Woohoo!
All right, I like it. Okay.
Kitchen?
Kitchen. Oh my God, look at that lighting.
Do you love it?
I love it. I love these.
Sconce is gorgeous, right?
Gorgeous.
Obsessed with the backsplash. Do you like that we took it all the way to the ceiling?
It's gorgeous.
We have a pool. Everything's cleaned up back there. So upstairs.
Yep. Oh, this looks nice.
Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, I really like what they did. Okay, stinky bedroom.
Wait, it better not be stinky anymore.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, and like even look from up here, you have a view of the courtyard out here.
Oh, I love
No.
it.
It's
Yeah?
nice. Like it's still a huge bedroom because remember we came all the way into this room.
Yeah, because we made this closet.
Yeah. I love this closet. Talk about a transformation.
Oh, yeah. Do you love the fireplace?
Love the fire.
Oh my God.
These are way nicer than the ones I got in
Isn't
the
it
past.
beautiful?
Yeah. I absolutely love it. So we rebuilt this entire room.
Oh yeah, because remember there was like a sink in between.
And then I like how you did the custom mirrors,
Yeah.
the custom lights. I like the bronze pools.
You love
I
the
love
flooring?
the flooring too, yeah. Look at the size of the shower.
Are you happy with the materials?
Oh,
we
it's
chose?
gorgeous in here. I fall asleep in the morning.
Oh, this is totally a Tarek shower.
Oh yeah.
Totally.
This looks great though.
You ready?
I'm ready. Come on, Buggy. Okay, so when we bought the house, we got a pretty good price. So we paid $1,090,000 for the house, the original rehab budget. I think we were at $250,000, and then I said, okay, we can go up to $300,000, and then it came in at $305,000. And then we had about $10,000 in change orders, puts us at $315,000. We have $68,000 in holding costs, and then we have selling costs of almost $100,000. So our break even, $1,570,000.
Ooh. Okay.
It's higher than we expected, and we had months and months of delays. So
Yeah, we had permit delays and yeah.
cities, permits, inspections. So what does your gut tell you?
I feel like I'm comfortable listing it at 1.699. I feel like it would get people in. Hopefully, we'd get more than one offer. If not, full price, maybe a little over.
All right, so we'll take the safe route.
Heather's eye for design really leveled up this property, and it sold super fast at $1,635,000. Because we found our own buyer, closing costs were roughly $41,000 lower than we expected. So we ended up with a total profit of $103,000.